Electronic stud finders are generally unreliable, fragile, and in need of tedious calibration before each use. That's why we're delighted to say that the best stud finders use a technology no more complicated than a simple magnet. For all of your mirror hanging, TV mounting, and general renovation needs, in the following review, we evaluate the top 5 magnetic stud finders that should become essential tools for any home renovator's workshop. Starting us off in 5th place is the Craftsman High-Vis Stud Sensor. If you only need to find a stud, Craftsman's High-Vis Stud Sensor does exactly that. It's simple and effective, designed to locate the edges of wood and metal studs. Pressing the button on the side, we slid it slowly along the wall, keeping an eye on the indicator. When it lit up, we were at the edge of a stud. That indicator stayed on until we passed the other edge. Then we slid the unit back over the stud to confirm and mark the edges before pinpointing the center. The tool consistently found studs under drywall up to 3/4 of an inch thick in our testing. Moving up to 4th place, we have the Zircon Multiscanner A200 wall scanner. Zircon's A200 is a powerful wall scanner with 3 scan modes. In our testing, it found the studs, iron and copper pipes, and live AC electrical wires in our wall. It was also very reliable and accurate, detecting studs and indicating their centers by projecting a red arrow on the wall. When we passed over live wires, the screen displayed an icon indicating the wires had electricity running through them. Taking the 3rd spot is the StudPop Magnetic Stud Finder. The best stud finder on the market because it's simple, works every time, and is remarkably inexpensive. Works on drywall, lath and plaster, and even on tile. The great thing about the StudPop is that it doesn't need batteries or have any complicated parts. It's as simple as it gets so that it works every time on almost any surface to help you find a stud. In 2nd place is the Franklin Sensors Pro Sensor 710. Of all the electronic stud finders I've used over the years, the Franklin Sensors Pro Sensor 710 is by far the fastest and most accurate. Because it scans 13 points simultaneously, the tool can visually display the entire stud, rather than just a single edge, making it painless to use and virtually eliminating the false positives that plague other electronic stud finders. In addition, this model doesn't require a fussy calibration step each time you use it, which gives it another advantage over the competition. It isn't cheap compared with a magnetic tool, however, and it requires batteries. The Pro Sensor 710 is also available as the Precision Sensors ProFinder 5000. The two are the same, so you should get whichever one is currently cheaper. And finally, our top pick for the best stud finder is the C.H. Hansen 03040 Magnetic Stud Finder. After years of testing and trying new models, we've found that the C.H. Hansen 03040 Magnetic Stud Finder stands out for its reliability and accuracy. For anyone who uses a stud finder only occasionally, a magnetic one does the job reliably for far less than you'd spend on a decent electronic stud finder. Most magnetic stud finders have only one magnet, but a second magnet in the C.H. Hansen tool expands its scanning area and reduces the time it takes to get a hit. Its pointed end and its small onboard spirit level simplify marking a stud, as well as leveling a picture or mirror. It's also the most durable model we looked at, by far. From what we can tell, breaking it would take some serious effort. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to consider these top-rated stud finders to make your next home improvement project a success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.